Li Ye Qin slips, bamboo and wooden slips of the Qin dynasty, have been selected as one of China's top 100 archaeology findings of the past century. In 2002, over 38,000 such slips were unearthed in Li Ye, central China's Hunan province. They have been identified as official documents from the government of the Qin dynasty, recording politics, military affairs, ethnic groups, economy, law, culture, geography and administration.
这片清简上记录的内容，我们可以看到字迹已经很不清晰了，它经过火烧过、水泡过，就很难再现它本身的这个原貌。但是我们通过一些技术，比如说多光谱的采集，可以把它很好的再浮现出来。
Zhao takes this slip as an example. The translation of the ancient handwriting says that 2,200 years ago, Zheng Bubao, the head of a family, his wife Yu, and their underage son Si, lived in Nanyang.
是不是很像我们现在的户口本？我还知道有一片更像身份证。
Experts say the slips from Li Ye provide an encyclopedic record of the dynasty, and are considered another significant Qin discovery in line with the terracotta horses and warriors.